Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ATR on Thinkorswim full guide. Open Thinkorswim and add the ATR study to your chart from Studies Edit Studies, then adjust length to match your strategy. Use ATR values to set stop loss distance and position size, and compare short and long timeframes to judge volatility. I'll walk you through reading the ATR line, using ATR bands, and applying ATR for entries and exits. In this video, I will explain how to use ATR on Thinkorswim full guide. Click Studies, search ATR, and add it to your chart with a default length, like 14, then tweak the length for day or swing trades. Adjust plot color and thickness so the ATR line stands out without cluttering the chart. Consider overlaying ATR on multiple timeframes for confirmation, and save your layout as a workspace to recall settings quickly. Quick recommendation: if you're cooking and trading, try those leak-proof containers to keep lunches neat while you watch charts. They seal, stack, and save time. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical tips. I've listed the product link and other deals in the description for easy access, and you might laugh at my lunchbox setup. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use ATR on Thinkorswim full guide. Calculate stop distance by multiplying ATR by a chosen factor like 1, 5, or 2, then convert that distance into dollar risk to size your position. Use ATR breakout levels to confirm entries and combine ATR with trend filters or moving averages. Track ATR across timeframes to avoid trading during unusually low volatility, and monitor ATR spikes as potential volatility expansions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.